going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tykara. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to curl my hair using these perm rods that I got from the beauty supply store. Y'all, I have never done this before. The only thing that I'm used to doing is twist outs and braid outs, so I'm hoping that this comes out right. No, it must come out right because I have to go to school tomorrow. It has to look good. That's the only option. So I just got done washing my hair a couple of hours ago, so now it's like, for the most part, it's pretty dry. First, I'm going to just go ahead and pop these rubber bands out because I do use the braiding and banding method. I have a video about my wash day up on my channel already, so you can just click the link in the eye if you want to see that. So I got all of the rubber bands out, and now I'm just going to go ahead and probably use these sections that I already have besides the front, because I'm thinking that I'm going to want a side part. So let's just go ahead and take these braids down. My hair is still kind of damp. This is how I think this is gonna work. I need to find a hair tie. Okay, so I found a hair tie. So the way that I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna tie up all of these sections of braids so that they won't be in my way. And then I'm gonna work on each section as it like goes, just so that it won't be like overwhelming, you know? So I'm just gonna section this off. And I'm going to clip the rest out of the way. These are the rods that I got for $1 a pack, and I got about 11 packs of them. So look at how small. Inside of this spray bottle, I just have rosemary oil and distilled water. Okay, so I think that was too much hair for one rod. So I'm just going to split this in half and see what will happen.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
1 out of 47 billion down. So I actually want to calculate and see how long this is going to take me. The start time is 2:45. I estimate that I should be done in about 2 hours because this is a lot. One of my locks just came undone, so now I have to twist it back up. I'm almost done with the first section, so I'm going to come back whenever I have covered a little bit more ground. Somebody pray for me. I have this little section left. I parted it on this side because I want my hair to fall to the left, because that's the way that I like my side parts to go. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm going to give myself 10 minutes on my alarm to see if we can get done with this in 10 minutes. start. This is the last one. I'm trying to find like these little hairs that are like hiding in between all of them. I'm securing the last rod. I'm done. And I had a whole minute, 60 seconds left to spare. So I started at 2:45 and it is 4:45. So it's been 2 hours to put in these perm rods. Now all I have to do is wait for it to dry. There's no way I'm sleeping in these. So hopefully they'll be done drying in like 2 hours, hopefully, at like 6. I really need that in my life. So I hope that it's done by then. If not, then I'm definitely going to take them out like around 10 at the latest. But I think that should be dry before 10, right? I'll show y'all what it looks like. I don't know how many of these I put in my head. I know that I started with 11 packs of hair. So 11 packs of hair. Those days are over. I know that I started with at least 11 packs of these. So let me count how many I have left. I have 5 packs of these left. And I started with 11, so that means that I used 6 packs, and 6 times 12 is 72. So this is like approximately this is like approximately 72 rods in my hair. Now we're just gonna have to wait for it to dry. All right, it's been a few hours, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because you already know I'm not about to sleep in these. No, ma'am. I don't know if I should like spray it with something first. I think I'm just going to take it down. Yeah, I'm just going to take it down. So let's start with this one back here. Let me turn around so y'all can probably see better. Alright, so these are a little difficult to take out. I think it's because I didn't have like that paper that you guys see sometimes that goes around these like rollers, and it's easy to get like hair caught onto it. So just be very careful whenever y'all taking these out. So I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of worried based off of how the curls look so far. I don't know about this. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my hair is like super stuck onto this. Take it down and see what it looks like, right? I can't judge it based off of this. I gotta go ahead and take it down.
see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Call this video a fail. The reason why is probably because just being straight up with you, I didn't do it right. I was supposed to put like no more than like 10 locks on a rod, because you see how small these are. Well, as you can see, this section was done right. Look at how nice these look. You go to this side. I put too much hair on this side on one rod than I did on this side. I don't know what I'm going to do for my hair for school tomorrow, because I'm not going to wear it like this. I might try to, like, I don't know, pin it back or something. I tried. It was my first time, so just cut me some slack. Next time that I do this, I probably won't use the yellow rods anymore. I'll probably use the pink ones instead, because these are wider and fatter, and I think that they'll give me like a bigger curl. So I'm going to try this style again, because there's definitely potential there. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one, and I'm out.